Hi, everybody, and welcome to week 10. We are finally in the double digits in this course and approximately 2/3 of the way done. This week, we have two major assignments as we continue to explore qualitative research methods. I imagine that qualitative research methodologies and data analyses are not something you are as familiar with as the types of analyses in which we count things, quantitative analyses. In dietetics and nutrition, we count things much more than we analyze stories that are collected through focus groups or interviews. And the assignment this week, the qualitative article evaluation, is an opportunity to obtain a better understanding of the qualitative research methods. There is no lecture this week. This is a hands-on applied learning week where you will explore two research methods in qualitative research that are of most interest to you out of a possible of 4. You'll also need to provide peer feedback as assigned to your classmate in the grid that I developed at the start of the semester in their Google Doc on their entire research proposal outline. So start from the beginning and go to the end to get a full picture of what the research proposal your classmate has been writing and developing, where they're at in the overall process, and provide feedback to one classmate. Please let me know as you have questions. I really welcome your feedback. Thank you.